Today, we're here in front of Purafil's headquarters, and we're going to run a little test for you. Right here we have the competitor's media that is permanganate based. And then we have this acid mixture that is going to simulate both the harmful and corrosive gases and how they react. Along this side here, we have the exact same measurement of the acid mixture and the Purafil SP permanganate media as well. So we're going to pour some of this mixture into each media, and I want you to pay close attention to the performance and the reaction on each type of media. Well, there you have it, folks. The competitor's media and the acid mixture that we poured in there. Right over here, we have the Purafil SP media with the exact same acid mixture and the response. And clearly you saw Purafil's SP media has a higher capacity to capture the harmful gases that could be in your environment today.